Winter calls for cozy textures and luxurious layers, and nothing quite compares to the chic warmth of fur. Thankfully, we live in an age where compassion and style go hand in hand. Faux fur has become incredibly sophisticated, often indistinguishable from the real thing. It's a win-win. You get to enjoy the same luxurious look and feel without compromising your ethics. Faux fur is incredibly versatile. It can elevate a simple outfit or add a touch of drama to an evening look. Plus, with advancements in textile technology, faux fur is softer and more comfortable than ever before. This season, embrace the warmth and glamour of faux fur guilt-free. When choosing faux fur, quality is key. Look for pieces with a luxuriously soft feel and a realistic weight. Avoid anything that feels stiff, thin, or overly shiny, as these are telltale signs of a less convincing faux fur. Pay attention to the lining too. A well-made piece will have a durable, high-quality lining that speaks to the overall craftsmanship. Don't be afraid to invest in a few key pieces that you'll cherish for years to come. A well-chosen faux fur coat or vest can be a staple in your winter wardrobe for seasons. The beauty of faux fur lies in its versatility. For a casual daytime look, try a faux fur gilet layered over a chunky knit sweater and jeans. Pair it with ankle boots or trainers for a chic and effortless vibe. For a more polished ensemble, drape a faux fur stole over a tailored blazer or a flowy midi dress. Add heels and statement jewelry for an elegant evening look. A faux fur collar can also add a touch of glamour to a simple coat or jacket. Proper care will ensure that your faux fur pieces look their best for years to come. Always hang your faux fur items on padded hangers to maintain their shape. Avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or heat, as this can damage the fibers. If your faux fur gets wet, simply shake it out and let it air dry naturally. To keep the fur looking its best, use a soft bristled brush or a wide-tooth comb to gently remove any tangles. With a little TLC, your faux fur pieces will remain soft, luxurious, and ready to make a statement all season long.